traders, this is Rick with your Futures Trading Coach after market update for the live trading alert call room. Today is a Fed Day, Wednesday, September 26th, and I'm going to let you guys know what we did today. We had one in the ES, we had 1, 2, 3, 4, up to 5 trades in the NASDAQ, and we did pretty good here. So I'm going to let you go from left to right here in no particular time order. We got short on an understanding trade in the ES, 22 quarter. That was a 10-12 Central Standard Time trade made up to a couple points. I told everybody it would have to sustain negative, meaning a close below 21, and otherwise it was going to be a problem. It did make our minimum, which is a couple points. And that was it. They couldn't stay negative, and they went up. Now instead of getting long on the ES, just due to setup situations and everything like that, we ended up taking it in the NASDAQ. Again, this is in no particular time order, but we got long here in the NASDAQ, and then we got long before that. But first trade in the NASDAQ was at 14 on the 936 candle. Okay, 14. And again, that trade made 15 plus ticks. It went to 18. Made 16, but 15 is a profit area for some people. And I told everybody that they really might have a trouble getting above the 18, so make sure you lock in some profits up there. And then that was it. Go to entry or move your stop up, and no follow through there. When it came back down again, I was still convinced they really were. Ultimately, they were trying to get up to the high 20s, low 30 area right in here. And they actually ended up overshooting, and now they just came back down right to it. But that was really what we were looking for and why we got long. So we tried again an S play. Some of us hit it twice before this candle closed. It bounced around, and we got long around 0450s, 04s, and it went up there and made some ticks. Not a whole lot. A lot of people would have had a break even on that unless you just had one contract, but some people made a little bit. And then after this wicked out here and it came back up, I called the long at 06, because I was expecting them to at least test the 10s or higher, and maybe even get back up to those 20s. So that was a nice trade there from 06. From 06, and it went up about 14, almost 50, 60 ticks. That was a beauty there. And then we got long on a power play, and that was at 16. And that was on the 1036 candle, 16, and again, same target I was calling for, high, very high 20s or low 30s, and that's what we got. So from 16, again, another, it went up higher, but 40, 50, 60 ticks. Of course, it did go higher. I didn't call any kind of reversal, or we didn't try to get short or anything. We did try to get short in here, and we had a break even. For some people, I didn't mark it because it was a break even. And then here, we tried it a couple times because I was figuring it would come down a little bit. So 850, 3850 at 1148. And that made from 850, at least, again, 10, 15 ticks. And I said that it could go up and test the 40s, 40, 40, 50. So, you had to kind of stick with that one. So some people made a little bit of money. Some people might have had a break even. And then we hit it yet again on a power play at 35.50. And that trade's kind of still in progress, but I had to close the room. Trade made 16, 17 ticks so far, and we're looking for it to get below 32 for starters, and then below 27, and then we're looking to get out if it makes it in time between 20 and 23. But that all depends on how long it's going to take, and I gave instructions in the room and everything like that. So that's where we're at right now. It's Fed Day, not a lot of volume. We're going to come back tomorrow and do it all over again. If you're trading in the afternoon, be safe, and we'll see everybody back tomorrow. Don't forget to check out our free trial at www.futurestradingcoach.com. See you later, traders.